There's a lot of walking in Vegas. A lot of walking.
Are you recording this?
Yeah, my fiance is helping me out.
He's leaving me. That's about it.
Yeah. He's talking about me leaving him. We had a little bag situation. Had to make sure it's flat enough.
Are we rolling?
Rolling. This is my bag.
We do not do checked bags. Personal.
Oh, there you go. Inside.
Show them this one. Okay.
They circled it. How rude. Waiting for sister.
What's the last name?
Edwards. He's leaving me.
She's actually leaving me. And it's okay. I'm actually slouching down so she doesn't have to hold her arm to try to get it. You want to see how tall I really am? It's not that bad. But so I'm on frame, so she's leaving me. I'm about to drop her off at the TSA because I can't drop her off at the gate. I'm not a service member.
Yeah.
Support the troops. And
you have to go get her car.
I have to get her car before they charge us for it. You get 60 minutes free parking.
Yeah.
Hopefully she enjoys herself. Hi Amanda. Hi Yvonne. Hi Tom if you're in town. And who else do I know out there? Oh, Vegas Aces. You wind up seeing this also?
Oh yeah, if I end up seeing her.
I don't remember what her name was. I think it was Heather, but I could be wrong. I love my princess.
Alright. I don't like flying by myself, but it's gonna happen. But the worst part for me is over. I'm about to go through TSA. I already got my ticket and just gotta find my gate. And since it's a small airport, I shouldn't get lost. I have a little anxiety when it comes to airports, but the plane, smooth sailing. Besides a little turbulence.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. From the cockpit, Captain Joe Benson. I'd like to add my welcome aboard the Counter Airlines Flight 2140 non-stop service in Colorado.
Over here we got the slot machines. Kamal's gonna be very, very happy. Still looking for Amanda. I think I'm going in the right place. She said she's been waiting for the tram. There she is. I see her. We are two different airlines. Amanda. Oh, there it is. That's just $1.
That's just $1.
Nothing. Let's see if Amanda gets anything. No. Ooh. Making that money. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys because I know I haven't really said much or done much probably in this video. It was a lot of relaxing and trying to catch up on some work, wedding stuff, the City and Beyond stuff. I have a lot of lists over there. Me doing writing stuff, coming out doing music stuff, helping out with everything. And I totally still check my work email, my like 9 to 5 work. I at least do it once a day. It's a bad habit. Actually, I think it's a good habit because I'm going back to work on Thursday and I feel like I'm caught up on everything that's going on and up to date, even though there's some loose ends of stuff. I have a couple meetings on Thursday and I'm prepared for them mentally because I've, you know, stayed up to date on what's going on. Since I'm kind of out of breath because I can't really fully breathe, I'm going to continue working, eat my lunch, and try to have a little fun tonight because this is my last night in Vegas. Tomorrow morning I head back to Denver as my layover, and then I go back to LaGuardia, which one of my friends will graciously pick me up before the storm. And I guess that's it for now. Bye.